Clary has multiple ways of adding clients. We try to make it as convenient as possible. On the client page, you'll see a button to add client. This is also found in the header if you click this add button. You'll have this page pop up to add new client. There'll be some required information needed to move to the next screen. We encourage you to make this as complete as possible, but we understand if you're trying to get them in the system quickly. You'll be able to see these consent forms. You can select and deselect them, and only admins and owners with correct permissions can manage these forms, but they would do so here and modify them in the settings page. You can add additional information right here, select demographics, and the session format. Once you've added the required information, you can move to the next schedule page. This will allow you to schedule either an intake interview for a 15-minute call or a therapy session. Let's schedule a therapy session, which will load our available times. We can choose between an in-person or telehealth appointment. Let's choose telehealth. It'll show our available times for this given client. Next, click Schedule Appointment. Now they're done. The client will be sent the remaining intake forms and assessments configured by your admin owner or clinic, and it will show you the steps complete here. So here we have 3 out of 7. In this case, the one we just sent has 1 out of 7. We can resend this if needed, and if we want to see what the client sees, click on the client name, and you'll be able to see this record. We have this button here to open the client portal, which will take you to what the client will see on their side. So now we can see what the client sees. We're logged in as yourself, not as the client, but you can see when they log in with just their unique link sent to their phone or email and their birthday, they'll land here. They can click Continue Onboarding. They can see their upcoming sessions, homework that's been assigned, and messages, billing, and so on. Another way to add clients is through our automated onboarding process. Next to Add Client, you'll see a button to resend the portal link if someone needs it again. You can also click this drop down to send it to a new person. You can click on Copy here. You can also email or text it. And this will take them through the onboarding process, which is what we went through on this flow, except for they'll do it all by themselves on their end. If you want to see what this process is like, we encourage you to copy and paste this link into a private browser or a different browser and go through what the client will see.